Hey everyone! Today we're talking about haptics on iPhone, what they are, how they work, and how you can adjust them for better experience. So, what are haptics? Haptics are vibrations you feel when you interact with your iPhone. This includes things like tapping the keyboard, toggling switches, receiving notifications, or even using a system gestures, and they give you a physical feedback to enhance your experience. And to customize haptics, you can open the settings, then go to sounds and haptics. Then here you can toggle the system haptics on or off and adjust the vibration patterns for calls, alerts, and notifications. And you can enable the keyboard haptics, and every key press gives a subtle vibration. Or when you toggle a silent mode, you may feel a vibration confirming the change. And the haptics help you to make your interactions more intuitive and responsive, giving you a sense of touch and even though the screen is flat. And that's it. Now you know what haptics are and how to use them on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!